Good morning. I am here at one of my favorite places. It's not really my favorite place to come to because I'm often very nervous about going to the dentist. Maybe you are too. But I'm going to tell you, if you come here, you will get the best care from people who care about you. And that would be all the way from Marcia. Oh, Marcia, don't you ever move. And it would be Dr. Dan. Well, when you walk in the door, you see Ashley, and she's so charming and inviting. And then we have Courtney and Dominique. I'm watching these young people cleaning chairs and making sure that everything is just right for us here. I've gotten great care. I know I'm in good hands, and I thank the Lord. He is so good. So come on here to Cleveland. Smile, sister, like I did.